Hey guys, this is Niko and today we're gonna talk about an issue that a lot of people seems to have recently, and I'm gonna give you some quick examples of how you could fix this issue. Now let's get started. We're on Facebook ads subreddit, and this guy says poor quality traffic from Facebook ads seems like bots. Hello everyone, for the past 4 or 5 months I've been struggling with high CPMs. Recently I've noticed that the CPM seems to have improved, but a different issue has emerged. The traffic coming to my website from the ads is incredibly unproductive. Is anyone experiencing this? Or is the issue with Meta still not resolved? Thank you in advance for your responses. This was posted 7 days ago. I've noticed that some of my funnels were getting fake traffic. And what is the reason for people to just use fake traffic? Why are they doing it? For example, if you think about Meta as a platform, one of the most important metric that Mark Zuckerberg and the board of directors have is to have a very high profit on the stock. So stock profitability is extremely important in the movement of the stock market, if that makes sense. So sometimes Facebook will pump, this is just my speculation, but this is just my opinion, so take it as an opinion. So what they will do, they will try to add a lot more active users, because when they do a report, they will say our client base has increased from this many people to this many people. And usually they don't say people, they say accounts. Back in the days, they used to say people, but now they say accounts. So this could be one of the reasons why there is a lot of fake traffic. Also, there are also a lot of people who advertise on Facebook. Some people, this is just my assumption, they would use bots so they could boost the engagement, so they could boost the just performance of the ad, if they have to like do reports on the ad, if they care about likes, comments, shares, clicks, this type of stuff. So there are like a lot of reasons why people need fake traffic. And in this case, Facebook or Meta also needs more accounts on the platform. And this is why they do it. This is that simple. It all goes about the stock price. And if we open the stock price right now on the Meta, we're gonna see that the stock price used to perform extremely well starting from 2022, and it is just like going up and up and up and up. But like we see a dip in March, we see a dip in April, and right now there is a decline. So there is a reason for Meta to pump fake accounts. This is just my prediction. This is just like my opinion, so take it as an opinion. You could go and do more research on why the Meta stock is going down. It could be maybe because there is a lot of fuss, the advertisers complaining about the product we use, which is Facebook ads. So this is just my opinion, and let's see what other people are saying. Another guy says, same here. Is there a fix for this? Have you found a solution? Another guy replies, I haven't found a solution yet. I would suggest using third-party tools to safeguard your campaigns against bots. So when you go on the internet and when you search for click fraud detection tools, you're gonna see some results. And this is what this guy means. He means that you should use a click fraud protection. So I just browsed the internet a little bit and I found this ClickGuard. I'm not affiliated with it. I don't use click fraud detection, but if you wanna investigate further, this is the tool. The monthly version of this tool goes for like $89 per month, and the standard is $149 per month. And if you spend up to $50K in ad spend, I think this is like a very reasonable tool for you to give it a shot, although I'm not sure how it works. But if you want to investigate this as a solution to your fake traffic, just go ahead and do it. Another guy says, same here, my add to cart is so high, no conversions. I think it's just bots. Remarketing doesn't convert well too. For me, it's the opposite, no add to cart. I set add to cart as conversion goal. The idea is to run that, then retarget with purchase, so I can skip so many stages and get to 50 conversions on ads, but because this is what they need right now, in order for you to optimize your ads, you need to get to 50 conversion or 50 events. What is driving your site traffic? Are you running ads, etc.? So this guy asks if you're getting traffic from different sources, and this is a very reasonable point, because if you have like different traffic sources, the fake traffic might be coming from, let's say, search engine optimization, or it might be coming for Twitter or Twitter ads or whatever you're running. So very, very reasonable suggestion. I noticed how all the add to cards were from Venezuela. They're sending traffic, commit traffic. I'm not sure what this word means. You can block certain geos from the campaign, like Russia, India, Venezuela. Someone mentioned it in the comments. Yeah, right now, if you go on Facebook ads, you'll be able to block traffic from certain countries. So let's say if you see that you're getting a lot of fake clicks from Russia, you can block this traffic very, very easily with the Facebook ads. Some of us actually suspect that the bot traffic are from Meta, because think about it, how strict they are with new Facebook accounts and even ad accounts. Ads, you think they have better quality control for those so-called bots, but this thing has been going for a few years now, and especially bad for your ad account if it's having like low daily ad spend. It could be a conspiracy, but it seems to be these accounts exist just to show the low spenders that Meta is returning traffic, but it's not reality. I saw, okay. So this guy saw some people talking about it on Discord. I believe few others have, yeah, and he repeats the comment. Okay, so a lot of conspiracy theories on Reddit, but how do you check if your traffic is actually low? What I suggest you do would be to install Microsoft Clarity. Once you install Microsoft Clarity will say sessions. This is the number of visits to your site during the selected time period. So for the last 30 days, I got almost 2,000 sessions for my website or one of my funnels, and there were 24 bot sessions excluded. And keep in mind that I'm not targeting worldwide. I'm targeting just maybe the EU area, maybe United States. I think I'm targeting United Kingdom. I think I'm targeting United Arab Emirates. So I think the first step that you should implement is install Microsoft Clarity. It's very easy to install. You just need to place a short code on your website. Then if you see a huge increase in like bot session, if you have like 1,000 sessions and like 200-300 are from bots, maybe you can think about click fraud detection. This was the video for today. My name is Niko. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know after you install Microsoft Clarity if you're getting some fake traffic, and let me know what results are you getting from Meta recently. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.